yoga. I'm speaking quietly because Omar and Alaina are still asleep. I'm very surprised because when I left this morning at like 7:30, Alaina was like bright-eyed, bushy-tailed, like ready to go. She was very awake. So I'm very surprised that like they both went back to sleep. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna whiz around the house and pick things up hopefully before they wake up. It is Sunday today, so today I'm just gonna be prepping for the week. I have some meal prepping to do and some laundry. So yeah, but I'm just gonna be taking you guys with me this week. I have to plan Alaina's birthday party. She's gonna be turning 1 in like a couple of months, and I'll also do like a 10-month baby update, and then I'm planning to share with y'all some like new and stuff. I have some like cute summer fashion items. First, I'm gonna go ahead and pick things up because this house is a disaster. I asked you guys over on my Instagram what you guys wanted to see on YouTube this week, and a lot of people said cleaning, so we're gonna be doing that today. Film myself like making the bed and straightening up this room, but it was like all out of focus. But anyways, Alaina's awake. We actually just had breakfast and I gave her a bath. I usually give her a bath on Sundays just to start the week off. She's probably gonna go down for a late nap, so I'm just folding some towels until she gets tired. She's playing with Omar right now, and once she takes a nap, I will finally take a shower myself. I wanted to share these towels with you guys because they are seriously so amazing. I just got them this week and I'm like so passionate about these towels. If you guys saw my Instagram stories this past week, you probably already know all this, but basically all of our towels were like really rough and old and had holes in them and stuff, so I needed some new ones. And my assistant Emily was telling me about these from Kohl's. They're by Vera Wang, and I was like, okay, well, I'll just go over there and see. And they are seriously the softest things ever. She said they're very absorbent. I actually haven't used them yet, so I will give you guys a little bit better review on them later. I have washed them once. They did shed a little bit. One of you guys actually warned me of that. I put it on my story as well, that you kind of have to wash them a few times and then they stop shedding, and then they're amazing. But I couldn't believe how many of you guys also love and use these towels. Like, apparently they're just like a fan favorite. So if you guys are in need of new towels, I will link these in the description box because they are so luxurious, and they were on sale as well. I think they were pretty much $10 off. Anyways, I'm gonna get to folding these, and I have a bunch more laundry to do today, but it's all still in the wash, so I'll get to that a little bit later. Anyone else like super picky about the way that you fold your towels? Like, mine all have to line up and be folded this certain way. So I'm gonna put these up now. Who's that girl? Can you show them how you're crawling now? Can you show everybody? Come here, mommy. Come here. Come on. No, no. Okay, love you. Okay, I was finally able to shower, and I went ahead and meal prepped. I just made something like really simple, literally just rice, chicken, sweet potato, and broccoli. I'm pretty sure that that's like the, I don't know, the most basic meal prep you can ever make, but I just wanted something easy that I could grab for lunch when we're busy working during the week. But I'm gonna go ahead and place these in the glass containers. I actually just fed Alaina some of this, and she loves broccoli. Oh my gosh, if I like make it soft enough for her to like chew with her gums, she loves just like being able to eat it herself. Oh my gosh, I put a little video on my Instagram just now of her doing her like happy eating dance. I'll put that on screen because it was so cute. All done. This will be me and Omar's lunches for the next couple of days. I'm gonna go ahead and stick the lids on these. If you guys want links to my glass Tupperware, I will go ahead and link it for you guys. The glass is really good because it's just less toxic and you won't get any plastic in your food when you heat it up and such. So I will have those linked below. Hello you guys, it is Tuesday. We just finished up work for the day. I just ate, so I'm like kind of worried I have stuff in my teeth. But anyways, Alaina is down for a nap, and as soon as she wakes up, I'm gonna do a 10-month baby update because you guys, she just turned 10 months last week and my heart cannot take it. I'm actually planning her birthday party this week, so I thought I would go ahead and show you guys kind of what I have planned so far. It's gonna be so stinking cute. I can't wait to like bring you guys along that journey as well. But it makes me so emotional thinking about her turning 1. Just, I don't know, just being in this room just reminds me so much of like being pregnant and like her as a newborn, and now I don't know, she's gonna be 1 in a couple of months, and it makes me so emotional and sad, but I'm just not gonna think about it, and we're just gonna think about how fun the party's gonna be. Just gonna relax in this rocking chair. I don't sit in this thing enough, you guys, and I would get so much more use out of it if it was in my bedroom. So yeah, I even thought about moving it in there, but it's like too much of a hassle, and then we wouldn't have like any space in our room because we already have the mini crib that we moved in there, and her old bassinet is in there too. So we're like, we have like barely any space in our bedroom right now. Let me show you guys what I'm planning for her birthday party. So it's gonna be about 30 people. It's just gonna be my family and Omar's family. And Omar's family, they have a few kids. I think there's 6 kids or so that are under 10. So yeah, I wanted like some kind of activity for the kids. So I found this amazing place in Dallas. They basically do these castle bounce houses that look gorgeous, and I'm reaching out to Lustra to see if they will do my balloons again like they did for my baby shower, so that we can make it really cute. I'll put the picture of this on screen so you guys can see it a little bit better. And then for the balloons, these are the colors I'm thinking. So I'm thinking peaches, I'll put this on screen as well, peaches, pinks, whites, just a little bit more peachy than my regular color palette. And with a little bit of orange in there as well. I thought that would be cute because I'm really hoping to do like a butterfly theme. I thought that would be so cute. Maybe we could even do like rainbows and butterflies. I could do like some really cute pastel, like peachy colored rainbows, maybe out of balloons. I'm gonna talk to Lustra and see like what they want to do. And then I did go ahead and buy her dress, so let me go ahead and get that on and show you. So this is Miss Alaina's butterfly dress, which I just think is the most darling thing ever. It is so cute. It's actually a lot brighter and just more colorful than any of her other clothes, but I thought it would just be so fun for her first birthday, and I loved the butterfly appliques. Oh, it's so cute. I got it off Etsy. They can literally custom make it in any size and any color, but I just got the color that was just off of the website. Like, I thought this one was so pretty, and I basically am just going to be modeling the entire party off of this color palette, like with the pastel oranges and the corals. I think it's so pretty. The last thing I'm planning is to have it catered by Eat Chic Catering. She's the one who catered our Eid brunch with that beautiful setup, so we're hoping to do that again. That's basically all I have planned. We're just gonna eat, cut cake, have the kids play in the bounce house, and just eat dessert and tea and coffee and just chill out and just talk. That's gonna be basically it. It's not gonna be anything too crazy, but we're super excited to plan out more details, and I'll update y'all as soon as I have them. I thought we would do a 10-month baby update, and somebody just woke up. Yeah, she's in such a good mood. So Alaina is pretty much a week over 10 months. She is very curious. She actually just started crawling 2 weeks ago. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you're such a big girl. She's such a happy baby. I know I might be biased, but I feel like she just gets more beautiful every single day. So she is eating 3 meals a day. She loves her solid foods. Alaina now has 4 teeth. You can see 3 of them really good. She has 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, but one of them at the top still hasn't like broken through all the way. So she eats 3 meals a day, and she loves her food. She loves, what's her favorites? Honestly, she loves everything. Salmon, rice, just literally anything we're eating, she wants it. Also, she loves sparkling water, and she's a bougie baby. She's still breastfeeding, so we probably breastfeed now like probably 5 times like in 24 hours, and she is still sleeping with me in the bed, but I love it so much, and I would literally not have it any other way. She does still wake up like maybe like once or twice sometimes at night, which, you know, I'm sure that we could probably work on that, but I just breastfeed her and she goes right back to sleep. Or we put the pacifier and she goes right back to sleep. I'm really worried about weaning her off of those things eventually, but we'll just cross that bridge when we get there. She says mama, she says baba, but she doesn't really say it as much as she says mama. She waves. She is trying to snap. Sometimes like we look at her and she literally is using the right fingers and trying to mimic us snapping, which is crazy. I told you guys she's crawling. She's not crawling too far or anything like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, she's not crawling too far, but she definitely can get around and scoot around and get where she needs to go. So I have to be extra careful and watch her and just keep an eye on her at every single moment. Yes, mommy, and I love you. She loves just playing with literally random objects around the house. She doesn't really even enjoy toys. Like, I do have toys for her and stuff, but she would rather play with like a water bottle or like keys rather than toys. So anyways, we're trying to find new, like, oh my gosh, hold on one second. I'm trying to find new activities for her to do, honestly. I feel like she gets really bored just being at the house all day, so I try to take her out of the house at least once a day. So we take like a little field trip. Literally today, I think we're gonna go by H&M and just go in and grab something. I have to get her a black onesie for a little project I'm making. She just loves getting out of the house. She just loves like going out and about and seeing new things. That's basically all I can think of as far as her update for this stage, but she's just literally the sweetest baby in the whole wide world, and I love her so much. I love you, mama. I just handed Alaina to Omar and she started crying and she wanted me and I loved it.
Yeah, I'm still pretty upset about that.
I'm sorry, Omar. I'm very sorry.
You're supposed to be on my side, Mama. Why? It's okay. Maybe in the next one, inshallah.
I wanted to show you guys the DIY project I have been working on. Father's Day is coming up and I wanted to make these little matching shirts for Omar and Alaina. So this is a onesie that's gonna say baby, but I messed up this B, so I'm waiting to get some more material so I can finish it. But I basically did it all with my Cricut machine. I'm working with them over on my Instagram, and it was seriously the easiest thing ever. You just like print out the sticker with the Cricut Joy, and then you iron it on with the Easy Press by Cricut, and you just like press it on. It was so easy. I'm so excited to finish these. It was gonna be a surprise, but Omar watched my stories. I like talked about it in my stories, and I told Omar, don't watch my stories today, your Father's Day gift. I like talked about it, and then what does he do? He goes and watches my stories, and he's just like, sorry. So whatever, I guess it's not a surprise anymore, but it's gonna be so cute. And if you guys aren't Arab, Baba is basically just like daddy in Arabic, so Baba and baby. And I also put together like a whole Father's Day gift guide, and it also would be great gifts for graduation or anniversary, like for a man. So anyways, I'll put that on screen and then I'll have it linked down below if you guys are in need of some good gift ideas. Okay, so I was asking you guys over on my Instagram what you wanted to see on YouTube this week, and a lot of you guys said you wanted summer outfit inspo, so I have a couple of new pieces. I didn't have enough to make a whole video on it, but I thought I would just include it in this vlog and just share with you guys a couple of new in things and just some of the like casual outfits, and a couple of dresses too that I just recently got. The new thing in this outfit is my top. The jeans are old, but I will link similar. I just saw some very similar on H&M. But the top is Express, and it has a really cute detail in the front, which is hard to tell since it is black. It's just not showing up very well on the camera, but it has this asymmetric little wrap detail right here. But I love that it's still like high neck and is like still full coverage, but you still get that little detail right there. It's made out of like a dress shirt material, maybe linen-y, I don't know. It does have like a very summery vibe to me to just like pair with jeans or like wide leg pants or anything like that. I love the puff sleeves, and I also got it in white, so I think you guys might be able to see the details on the shirt a little bit better in white. It kind of ruches on the sides a little bit and kind of has this like, I don't know, like gathered effect around here, but I think it is so cute. I just paired it with the jeans, some black sandals, some gold jewelry. I thought that like really looked super chic. So let me show you guys the white. Also, please excuse this corner. I am getting rid of a ton of clothes and donating, and I'm actually setting up a Poshmark account for some of my like dresses and stuff, so that's what all that is. Okay, this is the next outfit I put together. The pants are an Amazon find. I think they're like 30 bucks. I will link them below. The only thing, I wish they were lined. They aren't lined, but I don't really find them see-through at all. Maybe if you were like backlit in the sun or something, maybe you could wear like some leggings underneath it or something. I don't know. I really would recommend them. They are so nice and like breezy and perfect for summer. And then this top is the same one that I was wearing earlier, just in the white. You can see the details a lot better. I love this like wrap detail. I love the puff sleeves. The materials like that dress shirt material. And I'm not wearing anything underneath this either. I just wore like a nude bra, and I feel like you can't see anything. So this is the first look. Oh, and the sandals I wanted to mention as well. These are Valentino like inspired from a brand called Cal Parker, and they did give me a discount code for these. I love them. I think they are so chic and like glam but still neutral. I will go ahead and leave that below. I wanted to quickly point out my new necklaces. I don't think I've shared these on YouTube yet, but they're by Miranda Frye. It's my first purchases from there, and I really love them. I just love like the rope style. I did find a dupe for the thinner one on Amazon, so I will link that below. I think this one was around like 100, and then the Amazon one's like 13 bucks. Actually, I'll go ahead and show you the Amazon one just so you guys can see. So that is the necklace stack looks like. I wanted to show you guys up close the difference between the Miranda Frye and the Amazon necklace. So the Amazon one is this one. It's a little bit lighter and a little bit longer, and then the Miranda Frye one is a little shorter and a little bit darker in color. Obviously the Amazon one probably won't last you as long, but if you just kind of want one for, you know, the summer or whatever, I think this is a really good option, so I'll link it. Also, I just got my nails done today, and it's been a while since I've gotten them done. I got a really thin French tip with Bubble Bath by OPI as the top coat. I really love it. Now, I was looking on ASOS recently and I found this dress, which I did not realize was a high-low. I usually don't like high-low pieces, so I just threw on these new leggings. Actually, I'm always getting asked about which leggings I wear with like midi dresses and things like that, and my friend Josera was posting these on Instagram, and I went ahead and got them just to try them out, and they are incredible. They're from Amazon. They're super inexpensive, so I will link them in case you guys are in need. What do you guys think about this dress? I think the color is beautiful and would be beautiful for summer vacation. We're actually going to Mexico again, which I know it sounds crazy, but we're going with Omar's family for his family's vacation. We're going to be renting a house with them, so we're leaving in about a week or so. I was looking for some more like summery pieces that I could wear in Mexico, so I thought this one was really pretty. I'll go ahead and link it. I have the next look. This is from H&M, this like long tunic, which I thought was really cute. It has these stripe detail. I thought it was really like kind of like effortless looking. I saved my favorite piece for last. It's this gorgeous like mini dress that I'm wearing as a tunic. I also got this from ASOS, but it is a splurge. It is gorgeous. I just have not seen this pattern anywhere. Could you imagine if this was a maxi dress? Oh, that would be so pretty. But anyways, I just paired it with some straight leg jeans and white sandals. I thought this was a gorgeous summer look. Those are basically all the pieces that I have to share with you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in my next one.